Hey everyone! Today we're walking through how to change the oil on your Predator 9,000 watt generator from Harbor Freight. We're also going to install a few upgrades from Votex to make future maintenance faster, cleaner, and better for your engine. Let's start with what you need. 10mm socket or wrench, oil drain pan, funnel, Allen wrench for the dipstick, 10W30 oil, and optional but recommended Votex crush washer. It's a good idea to let the engine run for 2 to 3 minutes, just enough to warm up the oil so it flows out smoothly. Then shut it down, unplug everything, and let's get to work. Step 2, locate and remove the drain plug. It's on the lower side of the engine. Use your wrench to loosen it and drain the oil into your pan. This generator is also compatible with the Votex valve plug. It makes changing oil simple and mess-free by giving you full control over oil flow. The included 12-inch hose helps direct oil exactly where you want it. No spills, no headaches. It's built compact with 3 high-temp Viton O-rings for a reliable seal you can trust. Always remove the dipstick first to help the oil drain faster. As it drains, let's talk about this upgrade, the Votex Magnetic Drain Plug. This isn't just a single plug. It uses a rare earth neodymium magnet that's rated for high engine temps. That means it'll trap metal particles floating in your oil, especially during break-in and hard use, helping you extend the life of your generator. Once the old oil is out, we'll add a Votex crush washer and install the new plug. These washers are made in the USA and give you a perfect seal, no leaks. And with a 20-pack, you've got enough to last for years of oil changes. Next, we're swapping out the stock plastic dipstick for the Votex magnetic dipstick. This is solid stainless steel, uses a flat O-ring for a better seal, and has a magnetic tip to pull even more metal out of circulation. It also has an Allen head in case you accidentally over-tightened it on the last oil change. Important, before we add oil, compare the factory dipstick and the Votex dipstick side by side so you know where the high and low marks line up. That'll help you fill to the right level the first time. And we'll link to this video in case you ever need to check later. Now we're ready to fill with oil. Predator recommends 10W30 and you'll need around 1.1 quarts for the 9,000 watt generator. Once you're close, check the Votex dipstick and top off as needed. Double check that your magnetic plug and dipstick are snug. Clean up any drips and properly dispose of your used oil. Once that's done, your generator is ready to go. Now, with upgraded engine protection for the long haul. That's how to change the oil on the Predator 9,000 watt generator and how to install Votex USA-made upgrades to protect your investment. We've linked all the tools and parts used in the description below. If this helped, give us a like, hit subscribe, and check out our other setup and service videos for more tips.